Hey there, future investors. Have you ever considered diving into the stock market in India, but felt overwhelmed about where to start? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to guide you through the basics to kickstart your investment journey. Let's make investment simple and accessible. First things first, let's understand what the stock market is. In simple terms, it's a place where shares of public listed companies are traded. Buying a share means you own a small part of that company. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now, why invest in the stock market? Besides the potential to make your money grow, it's about building your wealth over time. Historically, the stock market has offered returns that outpace inflation, making it a powerful tool for long-term wealth creation. So, how do you start? The very first step is to open a Demat and trading account, which you can do with any recognized brokerage firm in India. These accounts will allow you to buy and sell shares. It's like setting up a new email account, but for your investments. Next up, it's crucial to educate yourself. Read up on basic investment terms and understand different types of stocks and market strategies. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing. There are fantastic resources online and numerous books that can help you get up to speed. Once you're all set up and have done your homework, it's time to think about diversification. This simply means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different sectors and companies to reduce risk. And remember, the key to successful investing is patience. Stock markets can go up and down, but with a long-term perspective and consistent investing, you're more likely to see your wealth grow. So, are you ready to take the plunge and start your investment journey in India's vibrant stock market? Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start small, keep learning, and stay disciplined. Happy investing! Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investment tips and tricks. Until next time, keep investing smartly.